Hi everyone, how are you all doing? It's a nice chilly day in Delhi today and I'm all packed up inside this warm jacket sitting in my home today. This drive has been sent to me by Seagate and I'm so excited, to unbox it in front of you all and talk more about it. I have kind of scratched open it already so that I can easily open it, in front of you all. I'm also so excited to see what exactly is inside. So if I talk about Seagate, I've already used some of their products earlier, so I kind of trust the brand. So when they said that they want to send me one of their drives, I was super excited to have, and especially this is with a capacity of 1 TB. So this is the SSD which is inside. It is white and grain color with a print, a rugged print here, which looks so sleek and so classy. Look at the portable size, it's convenient, to carry wherever you go. You can easily put it inside your bag, in your normal purse, or, in whatever, storage things you use for carrying such pieces. This is portable. It's a small size for massive storage, so you can use it, for like we all use it, for storing our personal documents, our personal photos, which take up maximum storage nowadays, right? Your all secret data, whatever you want. The best part is, it's a trusted brand. So anything, which comes from a trustworthy brand, comes at a price. Yes, this one's available in India at 19,000 rupees. Bit on the expensive side, but so is the quality and the trust, you get with such devices, And I always tell, my friends, family, that when it comes to quality, you should not compromise, because quality goes a long way. This can easily be paired with your Mac and Windows laptops. I use a Mac Air. I can easily use it with a connecting wire. For Windows also, it's very much good to go. One side of it goes inside the drive, the other one I can connect it to my laptop. So I'm also very excited, to use it and explore more features on the way. So yes, it's a good drive, and thank you Seagate for sending it across. I've clicked few pictures. Just stay with me to have a look, closely at this drive, and also do subscribe to my channel to see more from my side. Till then, you have a good day too. Bye bye.